Hey, how easy is it to get in our class? Actually, it's pretty tough, guys, because it fills up pretty quickly. We're not a class a school that has large 10, 15, 20 people coming in it. We're boutique, 6 to 8 per class, that is max. We typically sell out for a year. So if you're watching this video, it's very important to understand what category you fit in. Most of the guys, our program's right in the middle of the year for core 1 through 5. And then we have accessory classes at the beginning of the year, at the end of the year. And so those guys, the program fills up as only 8 students. And you're actually going through freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior year. Do it make sense? So when you join our program and you buy the whole package, you're with the same class for the next 4 months, which is really, really fun to watch because you're like your freshman class, and when you go through 4 months of hell with your class, you really grow and learn. There may be some extra spots within that program. So if you've taken the accessory courses, like a core 1 here, there, and you're taking 1 class at a time, we will fit you in where we can to get you through core 2. All right? So it's a little harder to get in when you're taking single classes, but that's okay, we will get you through it. So generally speaking, when you want to get in SI, kind of figure out, do I want to just dabble? No problem, we'll get you an intro course. Do I want to just be a proficient general dentist? Great. Take single classes, core 1, 2, maybe a one-on-one. If I want to jump the whole program and learn this field as fast as possible, we are the fastest program in the country that's going to give you point A to B with this much experience, so you can do the kind of kick-ass full arch dentistry that you guys are all wanting to do.